Hello, my people in diaspora, how are you doing today? Remember my last video where I talked about the 3 things you must consider before investing in Nigeria in 2023. So today I come with something special just for you, which is Chaviva. What is Chaviva? Chaviva is the hottest investment selling right now, where investors are actually clinging on. Number 2, Chaviva is located in Eleko, Ibeju-lekki. Remember, the population of Eleko, Ibeju-lekki is increasing. There are around 2 million people right now, and it is projected to be around 10 million by 2030. Number 3, Chaviva is located 3 minutes away from the Eleko Junction, opposite the Pan-Atlantic University, behind the Eleganza Factory, beside the Microsoft Village, and every other thriving estate. There are 30% discount to be enjoying 300 square meter for just 10 million naira, 500 square meter for just 15 million naira, all through this month. The title of Chaviva is government allocation. Call the numbers on your screen right now or click the link around this video to get started. Invest always smart. Then they invest for Ibeju-lekki, Chaviva, precisely. Think about real estate in Ibeju-lekki, think Chaviva. So I come away next time. I am Nola and I will see you on the other side. Bye.